Well, excuse me there, bud. I kind of got to get out the door, you know? We are back. We're like 2 days in a row. We're jamming, and you know the deal. We're going fishing. It's a fishing channel. That's what we do here. Actually, don't mark my words on that, because if I ever post something not relevant to fishing, you're probably gonna yell at me. Today I had a buddy hit me up to go fishing. I planned on going fishing in general, and he threw this idea at me, and I'm gonna read this off to you, because y'all need to get a load of this, because it kind of blew my mind when he brought this up to me. So he's like, yo, you should come over and fish this pond. And I'm like, yeah, dude, I'm down. He goes, this pond is small, but it is lethal. I'm reading the text message thread right here, yeah. He goes, my buddy's got a pond in his backyard that has a little bit of everything in it. Like, I'm talking perch, walleye, smallies, largemouth, catfish, amers, giant carp, and and trout. I'm like, bruh, is that even possible? Like, can you have all those species in one pond? Like, especially if there's no like filtration. I don't know. I gotta see what this is about. So I don't know if this is some mumbo. I don't know if it's legit. So I'm bringing literally a little bit of everything, and we're gonna go try and catch all of the above. So this is gonna be awesome, or it's just gonna be a mess. I don't really know. Thank you guys for watching, and we're gonna take you along with us to see what happens. So we're gonna get in the truck and go. Let's go. This, you got that leather, man. Leather. This is the first time I've been in an Infiniti, I think, actually. Really? Yeah. It's the second fastest. I drive trucks. I don't drive. What is this? This is a Q50S hybrid.
Oh, I'm an adult. I understand how things work. No, I'm not gonna.
How does that really make you feel?
So here's the deal, guys. So we are about to fish this pond. My name is Caleb, and
How you feel today, bud?
Tired.
Oh, look at this. Yeah. This is sick.
Stocked completely, dude. And like, there's filters in it. 2 filters, aimers. There's everything in here.
You know, wow.
That's the house. Yeah. I wonder if he's here.
So like your dad's friend or something, or like your buddy from high school?
Like, yeah, my buddy from college.
Oh.
It's his. This is his house with.
I honestly thought you were kind of kidding.
Nope, I just saw a perch. 2 for 2 right now, man.
Oh my gosh.
I had 2 casts.
Wow.
Yeah,
all right, Anthony, you want to say hi? You're going to be in the video.
Hey, what's up, brother?
All right, so you know what? You're not going to be able to see my face because I have the long lens on and there's like water all over it. Dude, I just want to fish. So this is my buddy Anthony. He took us to this pond, and dude, this is madness. There's like a couple 3 pound. Dude, these bluegills are like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, there's a perch right there. Look at that bass right
there.
The bass is probably gonna chase the bluegill.
Dude, this is sick. Let's fish. Like, people who do this stuff, like, it's just crazy to me.
I love it, dude.
Right? That's what I would do. I'm literally bumping bluegills as I reel this, like. There's one. Oh, it's a perch. You weren't kidding, dude. On a spinnerbait. Dude, wow. Look at that right there. Perch on a spinnerbait. What in the heck? You see that, Caleb? I got perch on a spinnerbait. A perch. Wow, that was wild. Oh, that's a decent fish. Whoa, coming in hot. I don't know. Did you look in this one? Oh, there's crayfish in here. Yeah. Yeah, your crayfish bait over there. There you go. Yeah, look at the size of these aimers. There's like 6 over here, dude. No, I'm good. I just need to catch some fish. There's one. That's a good bass. Uh-oh, boys. I might have the biggest one today. Look at these. Dude, that's cool. So this pond over here is like completely private, completely stocked. I mean, these are just healthy darn fish, man. That is so cool. They fight hard too, dude.
Yeah, I know. They do put up a good fight.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Good.
Couple bass so far.
Yeah,
Nice to
we
meet
got
you.
some bluegill bass in here.
Ever try one of these things?
Maryland. This would be Maryland.
They're like a little minnow. Oh. You missed it. Oh, had something there. I don't know what that was.
Chunky bass.
It feels like they might be a decent bass.
You and I just got doubled up. I mean, it's a big boy.
No, it's a good bass.
What do you got on?
This little like spoon. Oh, he spit it. Oh,
That was a fat bass.
yeah, that was pretty big.
Something.
There's one. What do I got? Perch? Crappie? Hey. Oh,
Remember.
yeah, I'll keep playing. That's what, 3 different species now? Bass, crappie, bluegill, perch. We were fishing bass for a little bit, and we kind of got bored because we're always targeting bass, and there's supposedly like just tons of species of fish in here. So I'm using like, dude, I can't remember what these things are called for the life of me. Comment down below if you guys remember what these are called, but I can't remember off the top of my head. So I'm throwing this little like spoon-like thing to try and just see what we can get on. I've caught a perch so far, a crappie, a bass, a bluegill, and that's about it, huh?
Yeah.
That we got so far. So we're just gonna start throwing stuff and seeing like what we can catch here. So I don't know. I think you should try throwing like one of those bluegills or something maybe. I don't know. We're not here like targeting anything. We're just testing this pond out because this is just so bizarre. There's koi's in here, aimers. We've been seeing a little bit of everything. So I'm gonna keep fishing this spoon thing because I think it's the best way to catch just whatever's gonna bite. It's basically just a minnow imitation, and it's actually like a vertical jigging kind of bait. And I'm reeling it in, so I don't know. It's weird. I'm just gonna keep fishing though. Maybe I figured out how to use this thing. This has got to be a bass. This is fighting way too hard to beat.
This is a 2-pound crappie.
Dude, this I don't know if this rod's just super light.
Yeah.
I don't know, dude. This is fighting pretty hard. Yeah, do it. Dude, this might be a tank. Oh my gosh, I'm actually kind of nervous, dude. It's not that big, but just net it just because it's easier. Ready?
It's a pretty one.
There we go, dude. He annihilated that. Yeah, it's not bad.
You're getting, honestly, all small baits.
Benny!
Look at it, it wasn't even hooked. Not bad though. Well, right, but you know what I mean. Here's one. This, what do we got, a little bass? Oh! Every time I have treble hooks on, I'm scared. Did you see that video I made where they all went in my fingers?
No. Oh, yes, I did actually. Maybe I did.
I was using a popper and darn thing flopped and went right in my hand. Never mind, I got it. There's one. Little crappie.
Really?
Yeah. It's kind of cool that there's just like a bunch of species in here. No, I didn't believe you at all, to be honest with you. Like the beginning of the video, I'm like, no. Look at the little line on the bottom of his lip. Cool little black crappie. Boop. Oop. You got a big one? What? You want me to come over there? I guess we're bass fishing now. After an event like that.
Yeah, I guess I might have to. I really want
Over that one. That's a good bite. No. Yeah, I'm gonna try and flip him. Yeah, get the net. I just don't want to flip it and like break my rod tip. It's not anything big, but.
Yeah, that's a good one. Is this not the
There we go, folks. No. There's one. Yoo-hoo! Little Nemo. They're all so fat though, dude. Like they're stupid fat. Look at that. Just the bellies on these guys.
Yeah, no, they eat
I love it.
that was funny.
There's a fish. Where the big ones at?
Yeah, there's only one. Like,
Ugh. They're all cookie cutters right now. Another one. Alright, let's see if they want a little topwater action. If not, I'm about to get ready to. Walk the dog. Oh, come on. That was so anticlimactic. The big crappie? Nope, little bass. Come on. I was expecting a mondo over here, not a little sauce. I'm paranoid of treble hooks.
hey.
That was sweet. I wasn't even paying attention. Not the tanks though. Not a bad one, but. On the spook. That was cool. You saw it wake all the way through. I wasn't even paying attention. I heard the thing fall in the tree over there. Whoops. Oh no. I quit. I don't even know how that just I don't even know what just happened. All right, boys, we're calling it a day there. Hey, I'd say successful day, eh? That was. I honestly thought you were kind of joking. I mean, we caught a decent amount of species.
Yeah.
Like, you know, it was pretty good. No walleye or anything like that. I don't know if I believe that, but there are a lot of nice bass in there. My cousin lost like a 6-pounder, so I don't know. That was interesting. So we went out there. We caught a couple fish. It was fun. It was cool. New place to fish. I always like doing that. I don't get to do that too often. So shout out to my buddy Anthony over here for taking us to this random pond. I caught a nice variety of fish, and then we caught some nice bass, and my cousin lost a really, really big one. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hey, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.